we're gonna use this sprocket to get into the outer part of your calf. And we're doing see all these muscles right in here? So we're trying to get this peak of the Pso Sprocket to go in between these muscles to help with cleaning up any type of gunk that's maybe holding on to these other muscles, which is then causing pain down our foot or just lack of mobility even in our ankle, and even just pain in this general area. All right, so same thing for being able to get on to add the Pso Sprocket to the Pso stick. I grab the beads, not the handles, and then I slowly just bring it across or bring it off. Make sure you go slow, just like what happened right there. Make sure you go slow, and you're not gonna lose. You're not gonna lose the handle. Remember, slide on, don't go too far. Make sure there's a little gap right here so this thing can still spin nicely. All right. Now, when I'm working this outside part of my calf, I'm just going long passes here. I'm not going to be too much up in here. You feel this little bony area right below it. You can even use your finger and just go like this, and you'll find that nerve and you'll feel a little zing. We don't want to aggravate this area. All right, so staying below it and staying around it. We can still massage that area, just don't massage it super hard. All right, but we're just working here, going up and down, trying to find any type of tender areas. And if I feel any type of zinging, I just don't keep aggravating that spot. I just move to a new area. This area doesn't get a whole lot of range of motion, right? So it's this, and then if you were to roll your ankle, you might even have some issues here too. But it's really, I mean, it's not much, right? Look how much my ankle's moving and those muscles are getting worked, right? So not a whole lot of range of motion, so there can also be a lot of tender spots in here because of that reason. I'm just going up and down. Now, once I find an area that feels tender, like right in here for me, I'm gonna stay here and I can start to move my ankle. Pulling my toe up, going left and right, and just really trying to get into that muscle. I'm gonna do some more passes, get some more blood flow in there. Found another spot, same thing. Now, another thing I can do too is that I don't have to just be rolling. I can actually brace the sprocket behind the calf and pull this way. So I can pull up into it, and that can also get into that calf area. All right? Remember to breathe, remember to go slow, and also, we don't want to overdo it.